Tai Chi exercises for endometriosis. So endometriosis is a complex and often painful condition that affects 1 in 10 women worldwide. It causes tissue similar to the uterine lining to grow outside the uterus, leading to chronic pelvic pain, inflammation, painful menstruation, digestive issues, fatigue, and even fertility challenges. The exact cause of endometriosis remains unknown, and there is currently no way to prevent it from developing. While there is no cure, lifestyle change and exercise can play a crucial role in managing symptoms. One effective, natural approach to support overall well-being with endometriosis is Tai Chi. So these gentle, low-impact exercises are rooted in traditional Chinese medicine and martial arts. So they emphasize deep breathing, fluid movement, and mindfulness, making them a powerful tool for relaxation, circulation, and pain relief. In this video, we will explore how Tai Chi can help address 4 key areas: pain, digestion, hormonal balance, and mobility, along with a few simple exercises that you can try at home. I'm Dr. Bruce from Ginseng, London. Our team has over 25 years of experience in women's health and conception issues. So stay with me until the end, because I will also share powerful Chinese medicine insights that can make a real difference in your journey. Okay, so let's get started. So why consider Tai Chi for endometriosis? So Tai Chi offers a unique way to manage endometriosis symptoms by improving circulation, reducing stress, and supporting the body's natural balance. Unlike high-impact workouts, which may worsen pain or cause fatigue, Tai Chi movements are gentle and adaptable, making them suitable for all fitness levels. So many women with endometriosis experience sedentary lifestyle due to discomfort and fatigue. So this can lead to poor circulation, muscle tightness, and increased stress levels, which may further exacerbate symptoms. So Tai Chi provides a way to move the body without strain, helping to restore balance and promote long-term well-being. In the next section, we will break down how Tai Chi can specifically target some of the most common challenges that come with endometriosis: pain relief and muscle relaxation. So chronic pain is one of the most difficult symptoms of endometriosis. Studies have shown that Tai Chi can help increase pain threshold, making it easier to manage discomfort over time. So a 2022 study published in the Journal of Pain Research found that women who practiced Tai Chi experienced a significant increase in pain tolerance. The reason for this is simple. Tai Chi encourages muscle relaxation, reduces pain sensitivity, and improves blood circulation, which may help alleviate pelvic pain and tension. So movement plays an essential role in managing chronic pain conditions. When the body remains stagnant, pain often worsens due to increased stiffness and poor circulation. In contrast, Tai Chi incorporates slow, controlled movements that gently engage the muscles, promoting relaxation and reducing inflammation. So studies funded by the Patient-Centered Outcomes Research Institute in 2016 found that movement-based therapies, including Tai Chi, had significant benefits on pain levels, sleep quality, and cognitive function. For those who struggle with persistent pain, practicing Tai Chi consistently may provide a natural, non-invasive way to experience relief, improving digestion and supporting gut health. Digestive issues, including bloating, constipation, and discomfort, are common among women with endometriosis. In fact, research has linked endometriosis with irritable bowel syndrome, which can make symptoms even more challenging to manage. One of the best ways to support digestion naturally is through movement. So a study published in 2023 emphasized the importance of addressing comorbid conditions like digestive issues when managing endometriosis. Research from the University of Gothenburg also found that regular physical activity can help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome by improving blood circulation and supporting gut motility. Tai Chi, with its gentle rhythmic movements, helps stimulate digestion by improving blood flow to the abdominal region, unlike intense workouts that may strain the body. Tai Chi allows for gradual movement, helping the digestive system work more efficiently without added stress. So for women struggling with digestive discomfort, incorporating Tai Chi into a daily routine may help regulate digestion and improve overall gut health, and reducing stress and balancing hormones. So stress plays a major role in hormonal health. And for women with endometriosis, chronic stress can make symptoms worse. High stress levels trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone that can disrupt reproductive balance and increase inflammation in the body. Studies have found that women with endometriosis are often less physically active than their peers, largely due to pain, fatigue, and anxiety surrounding movement. Unfortunately, avoiding movement can create a cycle where pain and stress continue to build. Physical activity, especially in gentle forms like Tai Chi, can help break this cycle by promoting relaxation and reducing stress-related inflammation. Regular practice of Tai Chi has been shown to improve mood, increase energy levels, enhance sleep quality. Exercise is also closely linked to hormonal regulation, and maintaining a consistent routine can help support a healthier balance of reproductive hormones. So by reducing stress and promoting mental well-being, Tai Chi provides a holistic way to support both the body and mind, which is essential for managing endometriosis in the long term. Enhancing mobility and flexibility. So many women with endometriosis struggle with stiffness, muscle tightness, and compromised posture due to chronic pelvic pain. Over time, these limitations can make movements feel even more difficult, further restricting physical activities. So Tai Chi is known for its ability to improve flexibility, increase muscle strength, and enhance balance. Harvard Medical School has reported that regular Tai Chi practice leads to improved upper and lower body mobility, which is essential for those dealing with pain-related movement restrictions. Poor posture, which is common among women with chronic pelvic pain, can also be corrected through Tai Chi. Since Tai Chi encourages mindful movement and body awareness, it helps practitioners become more cautious of their posture and alignment, reducing unnecessary strain on the body. For women who experience tension and stiffness due to endometriosis, practicing Tai Chi regularly may help restore mobility and improve overall movement patterns. Simple Tai Chi exercise for endometriosis. So Tai Chi is accessible to almost everyone, regardless of fitness level. Even a few minutes of practice each day can lead to noticeable improvement in pain, digestion, and stress levels. One effective movement is called rolling the ball, which involves shifting your weight gently from side to side while moving your hands in a circular motion. This movement stimulates blood flow to the abdominal area and encourages flexibility. Another beneficial exercise is Tai Chi opening and deep breathing, where you slowly raise and lower your arms while focusing on deep diaphragmatic breathing. This helps relax the pelvic floor muscles, improve circulation, and release stress-related tension. For a more dynamic exercise, flowing chi circle enhances circulation in the lower abdomen and pelvis. It involves slow, controlled arm movement, combined with deep rhythmic breathing. This movement is particularly useful for encouraging better blood flow and promoting a sense of calm. These exercises can be done anywhere, and the key is consistency. Practicing Tai Chi daily, even for just a few minutes, can provide long-term benefits for managing endometriosis symptoms. Tai Chi as a holistic tool for endometriosis. So endometriosis presents many challenges, but movement is one of the most powerful tools for taking back control of your well-being. Tai Chi offers a natural, low-impact way to manage symptoms by reducing pain, improving digestion, balancing hormones, and enhancing mobility. So the most important thing is to listen to your body, start slowly, and stay consistent. Even small efforts can lead to big improvement over time. If you found this information helpful, consider incorporating Tai Chi into your routine and sharing your experience in the comments. Stay committed to your health, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.